Big Shark's Valentine Surprise. Chomp, the lemon shark, had recently moved to a warmer part of the ocean. Once he and his mother settled in, Chomp said, "I think I'll explore our new neighborhood. I'll be back soon." "Okay," said his mother. "Please be safe." Chomp saw an amazing new world. He loved the way the dolphins jumped out of the water. He loved the bright colors of the butterfly fish. He loved the graceful movements of the octopus. Chomp raced home to tell his mother about the different animals he'd seen. "Mommy, Mommy," he called out, "this part of the ocean is wonderful. The dolphins can fly through the air. The butterfly fish have the shiniest yellow scales, and the octopus has 8 long arms. Did you know that?" "No, I didn't," Chomp's mother said with a smile. "It all sounds so exciting." "I love our new ocean home," Chomp exclaimed. "And I love all the animals who live here." "That's wonderful," Chomp's mother said. "Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. It will be the perfect day for making new friends." "Oh boy," Chomp said, "I can't wait." "All right, Chomp," his mother said. "Now it's time to get some sleep. You've had a busy day." The first rays of sunlight woke Chomp, and he immediately swam out of bed. "It's Valentine's Day," he called out. "Yes, honey," Chomp's mother said in a sleepy voice. Chomp quickly ate his Coral Reef Crunch cereal and got ready to begin his day. Before he left, he turned around. "How do I show the ocean animals that I want to be their friend?" "Just listen to your heart," Chomp's mother replied. "You'll know what to do." "Thanks, Mom," Chomp said. "See you later." Chomp swam and swam until he saw a pufferfish. "She looks nice," Chomp thought. "I'll give her a big Valentine's hug. Then she'll want to be my friend." Chomp's toothy smile widened as he spread his fins. He slowly swam closer and closer. But when the pufferfish saw Chomp approaching, she quickly puffed herself up in fear. "Don't be afraid," Chomp called out as the pufferfish raced away. "I want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day." But the pufferfish was gone. "I'll just have to try again," Chomp said with a flick of his tail. He swam around a colorful coral reef until he saw a spotted stingray. "He looks so cool, like a giant butterfly," Chomp thought. "I know, I'll give him a big Valentine's Day kiss." But when the spotted stingray saw the big lemon shark approaching, he buried himself in the sand. "Don't go away," Chomp said. "I just want to give you a kiss. I don't want to eat you." But it was too late. "I'm not having a good Valentine's Day," Chomp thought as he swam away. "But I won't give up." He noticed a parrotfish nibbling on some coral. "Maybe he'll be my friend, but I don't want to scare him. I know, I'll sing him a poem I learned at school." As quietly as possible, Chomp glided right up to the parrotfish. When the parrotfish turned around, Chomp smiled. The parrotfish smiled back. "So far, so good," Chomp thought. Then he sang this poem. "Roses are red, violets are blue, seaweed is sweet, and so are you." But the parrotfish wasn't smiling anymore. "You think I'm sweet? You want me for lunch?" He quickly darted away. "I don't want to eat you. Come back." But it was too late. The parrotfish was gone. Chomp angrily began to swim home. He chomped on everything he passed. "No one likes me. This is the worst Valentine's Day ever," he shouted. Just as he was about to take another bite out of a piece of seaweed, he looked up and saw his mother in the distance. She was holding something. "What's Mommy looking at?" he asked himself as he swam closer. Then he realized what it was. "It's a picture of me. Mommy loves me. It doesn't matter if I didn't make any new friends today. I have the best Valentine in the world, my mommy." Chomp spotted a heart-shaped shell on the ocean floor and picked it up. "Mommy, Mommy!" Chomp shouted as he arrived home. "Happy Valentine's Day!" He gave her a big hug and kiss. "Thank you, Chomp," his mother said. "Happy Valentine's Day to you too." "Here's a special Valentine's Day present," Chomp said. "It's shaped like a heart." "It's beautiful," she said. "I love it." "I love you, Mommy," Chomp said. "And I love you too," Chomp's mother said. "On Valentine's Day and every other day of the year." As Chomp was hugging his mother, a group of ocean animals swam closer. "He's not scary," the puffer fish whispered to the spotted stingray. "Not at all," the spotted stingray replied. "He's nice." Chomp finally noticed the sea animals nearby. "Will you be our friend?" the parrotfish asked, swimming closer. "Really?" Chomp asked. "You aren't afraid of me?" "Not anymore," the spotted stingray replied. "Happy Valentine's Day!" "I would love to be your friend," Chomp exclaimed. Turning to his mother, he shouted, "This is the best Valentine's Day ever!" Thank you for listening, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark. Ooh. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark. We all sharks.